मैं आज आपको इस टैरो कार्ड की श्रृंखला में आज नवा एपिसोड लेकर आई हूँ, जहाँ पर मैं आपको पेंटिकल्स के बारे में बताऊँगी। इससे पहले मैंने आपको स्वार्ड्स, कप्स और स्वॉर्ड्स एंड कप के बारे में बता दिया है। अब ये पेंटिकल्स के बारे में आप पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट। इसके पहले मैंने कई एपिसोड्स आपको दिए हैं। अगर आपने नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर जाकर देख लें। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम है संध्या सिंह ब्लॉग, और मेरा दूसरा चैनल भी है जो कि डिवाइन टैरोट एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी के नाम से है, जहाँ पर ये वीडियो भी पड़ेगा जाकर, तो आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं। एंड प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को शेयर एंड लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा, ताकि मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले, आगे की अच्छी वीडियो बनाने का एक मोटिवेशन मिले, राइट। तो देर ना करते हुए शुरू करते हैं। आज मैं आपको 9 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स के बारे में बताऊंगी। 9 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, अगर इस डायग्राम को आप देखते हैं तो 9 पेंटिकल्स एक लेडी के पीछे रखे हुए हैं, वन साइडेड। तीन तीन छः एक तरफ है और तीन एक तरफ है, और कुछ काफ़ी प्रॉस्परस कार्ड लग रहा है एक तरह से, जैसे सब कुछ इसने अचीव कर लिया इस लेडी ने। और एक जिसके कपड़े भी देखिए आप बहुत अच्छे हैं, सर पे एक क्राउन भी है, और आपको ट्री भी दिख रहा है, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिटेल्स आप इमेज में देखते हो तो दिखेगा। इंडेक्स बेस्ड ऑन द राइड वेट model. This card typically depicts a woman dressed in elegant clothing adorned with jewel. The woman typically stares confidently into a mirror with the symbol of success and mastery surrounding her. Nine pentacles, usually glowing or shimmering, appear behind her, representing a very recent success. When drawn, this card means that the financial security and the achievement of goals is close at hand, obtained through one's own hard work rather than through luck alone. The figure is alone, but content representing financial independence. The Nine of Pentacles indicate that the querent can expect some comfort in their lifestyle, along along with some financial gains. Depending on the other card in the spread, it could indicate a large gift or inheritance, right? If this card come with the reverse manner or upright manner, what does mean? Look at first of all we talk about upright, fruit of labor, two tree duality, healthy relationship with the possession, self-sufficient and elegant, self-resilience, discipline, financial independence, success, profit and wealth, prosperity, freedom, wisdom, maturity, pregnancy, menopause, falcon, vision, victory, success, dominance, leadership, authority, freedom, and superiority, free to fly away. So is the woman, for she is not overly obsessed with what she owns. Falconhood over his head reflect the lack of ego in the woman. Grapes means celebration of life and maturity of spirit. This card is a yes card. In numerology, this belongs to 9 number. Element is earth. Profession would be talented, overnight success, administration, project, animal, wildlife, and rehabilitation. Is kind of would be. Now, second, when this card come with the reverse manner, what does mean? Financial dependency, marrying for money and status, craving more independence, block abundance, money gained by bad ways, deceit, theft, lack of elegance, reproductive productive and issues on prostitution. ना दिस अगर ये कार्ड अगर आपके स्प्रेड में आता है और ये रिवर्स मैनर में आता है तो इस तरह की मीनिंग्स होंगी आपको, ठीक है। क्वेरेंट स्पेशली दोज हु हैव बीन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड ऑन प्रोजेक्ट should be happy to see this card. It means that the universe recognizes the work they have put into their project and is ready to offer reward. As with the Eight of Pentacles, this card also cautions querent against failure to look ahead. It is important to reap rewards when they are available, but do not lose sight of how critical it is a plan for the future. Now, ten of pentacles. We will talk about ten of pentacles. What does mean? When this card appears in spread, the glided deck depict the ten pentacle as open wooden chest with ten golden pentacles easily visible within. Chests are often used to store and secure the family treasure, representing a need to hold on to some financial security for the future. Other images on the card represent honor, status, and integrity, financial and family stability, especially as it relates to the querent's home life and is central to this card's message. If the querent has been struggling or has left their family suffer to build a successful venture, now is the time to repair those relationships. The sign indicate that family members are more likely to be receptive to reconciliation attempts. When this card appear in upright manner, what does it mean? Three generation, right? You can see in this card one old man and two young men and with the pets, right? थ्री जनरेशन मतलब आपको पता है बेनिफिट सपोर्ट इन इनहेरिटेंस फ्रॉम फैमिली एंचेस्टर प्रॉपर्टी Pentacles arrangement free of life stage that the human soul most travel through in order to reach enlightenment scale justice and tower settle destruction family business legacy family traditional tradition security unexpected money marry into a wealthy family grapes means celebration of life a maturity of a spirit celebration fertility cosmic connection good dog child है ना yes this is card is a yes card in numerology this number belongs to 10 numerology number 10 belongs to this card element is earth profession will be a family business sale property investor insurance broker passive income retirement attendance and manager and this card is a yes card if this card come with the reverse manner what does it mean low loss due to family rejecting tradition inherited burden trouble with family loss of freedom disputed inheritance financial disaster use debt collapse business family divorce marry for money fake money and this card is a no card if this comes in reverse manner inheritance or the acquisition of an item a querent intend to pass down through the generation is also represented by the card. Remind your querent to check all wills, trust, and another end of life documents to ensure they will accurately reflect your wishes. Since this card can sometimes indicate a huge gift or increases in finances. It is important to read in careful context with the other card in the spread. As I mentioned, if your parent has a major concern about the state of their finance, try to find a larger spread to offer a greater context and to increase the accuracy of your reading. Ultimately, this card reflects satisfaction, safely, and stability. When it appears in a future position, it should offer the querent some comfort about their future. Page of Pentacles. This code card typically offer a lot of information with multiple meaning possible. Whenever this card appear in a spread, be sure you consider them in context with the other card, as well as in a relation to the question posed by your querent. Being familiar with the full meaning of each card leads to better, more accurate reading. The Page of Pentacles is usually depicted as a young individual holding a pentacle in their hand, staring off to the side. They do not seem distressed, nor do they seem overly happy. Instead, the look on the figure's face is one of quiet contem- contemplation. This card may refer to a studious or academic child who takes pride in their education and enjoy learning. This person is hardworking, polite, and disciplined. Even at a young age, the page of pentacle often indicate the presence of a person who loves animal and feel at home in the country. This is meaning of page of pentacles. When the page of pentacle come in upright manner, what does it mean? Youthful, dependable, practical person, money for from parents, financially secured person, new job or project, practical and cautious student. He value money, good news in material things, setting goals, developing plans, grounded person, loyal, plot field means the color of the pentacle and the sky is the same. Spirituality needed to distinguish green. Tunic, green tunic, spiritual growth and fertility of ideas. A red head scar means passion, name, fame, and heart. And this card is a yes card. In numerology, there is a two number. Number two belongs to this card, and element is earth. Profession should be a student, apprentice, entry job, new job, pursuing business idea, practical job, attention to detail. And this card is a yes card. If this card is come with the reverse manner, don't value for money, stupid plans, unfocused, undisciplined, materialistic, greedy, over demanding, overly rich, spending money, base relationship, bad news in merit material things, lack of goals, no groundwork, lazy, immature, missing opportunities, and this card is no card when it will come in reverse manner, right? Now go with other card, Knight of Pentacles. When this card appears in your spread, when drawn about an event, the page of pentacle indicate good news soon, bringing a much needed or welcome changes to the querent's life. This message may carry a financial or academic connotation, such as getting a grant or being accepted into competitive program. The Knight of Pentacles, usually pictured on this card, is similar to other in tarot deck, but the one difference is the Knight of Pentacle appear to be motionless and unhurried. He is still atop his horse in a meadow, evaluating the situation. The card does not look as action packed or exciting as the other Knight card, but it does often mean the querent can really on positive result in the end. Knight of Pentacles, when it come in upright manner, what does it mean? Practical and slow movement, commitment only after security, offering money, not emotion, attention to detail, loyal and reliable friend, value comfort and security, luxury, patient, practical, loyal, green palm on head, family name, status and wealth, conservative, stubborn, ambitious. Black horse means ability to overcome obstacle and come out on the other side. Red bridle, deeply seated passion means land means full of potential growth and sustainability. And this card is a yes card. And numerology, three number is belongs to this card, and element is earth, and profession will be routine oriented work, business, farmer, coal miner, department of agriculture employee, and gemologist as well as. And this card is a yes card, and it will come in upright manner. When this card come in reverse manner, what does it mean? Slow progress, overly perfectionist, bored and unexcited, financial challenges, not secured, unwise, no decision making, no competitive spirit, lacking determination, no self care, lack of hygiene, unstable, disloyal, irresponsible, obsessed with their materialism. And this card is a no card. The card does not look as action packed or exciting as the other night cards, but it does often mean the querent can rely on positive result in the end. This card represents people who are steady, reliable, trustworthy. They are people who take a methodical approach and refuse to cut corner, even when it may be easier to do so. The Knight of Pentacle also mean that something the querent has been waiting for has finally arrived. This could relate to any aspect of their life, including career, family, or romantic. If the querent has been working hard and potentially awaiting results, this card means they are on the horizon. Now the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is usually depicted as a material, secure woman holding a golden pentacle in her arms and standing among a symbol of wealth. A person represented by this card is a warm, generous, and practical. They are usually successful at any project they develop. They devote themselves to, often balancing family and career in a way that seems effortless. The reality is that this person does not hard work into everything they do, but they are also grateful for the rewards life offers and really complain. When this card appear in a spread, it typically tells the querent to continue working hard on their current project. The Queen of Pentacles work tirelessly to achieve her goals and enjoy well deserved success and financial rewards. The card may indicate someone in the querent's life who work in finance, running business, or in agriculture or environmental areas. The Queen of Pentacles, if this come with the upright manner, practical, grounded, and organized, down to earth, green veil, sign of status, respectability, value money, saving, and protect emotionally, balanced, nurturing, and protecting mother nature, loving. Red rabbit means confidence, empowerment, and one's own personal transformation, spiritual enlightenment, ibex, longevity, and persistence, fertility, businesswomen, social butterfly. Dressed in red means white and green. The Queen of Pentacles bring fertility, pleasure, and wealth. And this card is a yes card when this come with the for the question of yes or no. In practical, when this card appear in reverse manner, what does mean? Impractical, neglectful, lazy, and arrogant, not focusing on child, wasting money, self-obsessed, cheater, mean, and money-minded, relying on others, no decision making, low self-confidence, self-awareness, blame other for failure, and ungrounded and jealous and possessive as well as. And in numerology, this card is belongs to 13 number, 11 is earth, and profession will be business women, manager, career, veterinarian, spa owner, massage therapist, and this card is also yes card. Now, negative quality associated with the Queen of Pentacles include stubbornness, jealousy, and self-indulgence. Some people may find them practical to the point of seeming materialistic. Other individuals are overly compassionate and generous, which result in people taking advantage of their financial success and a kind nature. This card could be a cautioning your querent against this type of behavior, warning them to be on ground. Now, last, the King of Pentacle. The King of Pentacle, this card typically shows a king sitting comfortably on his throne with his legs crossed. The back of the throne is a golden pentacle, which his comfort and is reinforced by his facial expression, which seems content, relaxed, and comfortable. People associated with this card are typically financially successful with the strong character and dependable nature. Their temper is not typically long lasting, family tradition and being able to provide for those he care about are the King of Pentacles top priorities. The appearance of the King of Pentacle in a spread cautious the querent against being afraid of hard work, as a king always sees his task through completion. This card should be encouraged the querent to find patience and perseverance. Focusing on being successful at one task pays off much faster than spreading oneself thin working on multiple projects. The King of Pentacles, when it will come appear in upright way, what does it mean? Successful and ambitious man, practical and careful treasure and comfort and considerate father. It can be person's lover, husband, very hardworking. Grapes mean fertility and wisdom. Bulls means bull four corner of earth, power, stability, sacrifice, castle, security, and strength of material. Possession, foot on stone, dominance, roses and lilies on crown, sensual and spiritual love. The laurel wreath, peace and victory, solar disk on the scepter, respected and loved, pentacle on top, pentacle on lap is a wealth. This card is a yes card. In numerology, the five number belongs to this card, and 11 will be earth, and profession will be middle management, business owner, banker, professional support, sport, team owner, and real estate. And this card is a yes card. And when this card appears in a reverse manner, the what does it mean? Arrogant, my way or highway, a workaholic, greedy, overindulgent, won't value money, mean, selfish, possessive, envy, won't give property to kids soon, exploitive of loved ones, ungrounded, unsuccessful businessman, corruption, unfaithful, cold, ruthless, no card. The King of Pentacle, a person associated with this card is a typically generous but not wasteful. They consider all purchase carefully before spending any money and they know the value of saving account. Profession held by those represented by the King of Pentacles include property buying and development, finances and tradesmen. Negative personality qualities associated with this type of individual include stubbornness, miserly behavior, and a being methodical to the point of seeming insensitive. The King of Pentacles can caution a querent about the presence of such person in their life or warn them about developing these qualities themselves. Point to be remember for this card, there are a few other things readers should keep in mind about the suit of pentacles, including what certain patterns may indicate and why should spend time with your card to clear away any misconception. An upcoming marriage or commitment ceremony may occur if you notice the ace of pentacle, the lover, the 10 of cups, and the 10 of pentacle in a spread together. The knight of wands, the 10 of pentacle, the ace of pentacle, and the justice card appear in close proximity to another often indicate upcoming news about the scale purchase or property. Oh, you should be remember when the spread these card appears, means upcoming sale or purchase of property. This can upcoming event can be occur